This video is about...
Are you tired of constantly losing money in the Forex market? Have you been searching for a winning strategy that can help you consistently make profits? Look no further, because today we are going to reveal the ultimate Quasimodo Forex strategy that will change the way you trade forever. The Quasimodo pattern is a powerful reversal pattern that can help you identify key turning points in the market. It is based on the concept of higher highs and lower lows, and can be extremely effective in predicting trend reversals. To trade the Quasimodo pattern, you need to look for a series of higher highs and lower lows on the chart. Once you have identified this pattern, you can enter a trade when the price breaks above or below the pattern, depending on the direction of the trend. The key to success with the Quasimodo strategy is to be patient and wait for the perfect setup. Do not rush into trades, and always wait for confirmation before entering a position. By following the Quasimodo Forex strategy, you can take your trading to the next level and start making consistent profits in the Forex market. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing this powerful strategy in your trading today and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Forex tips and strategies.
You heard the guy. Click the like button right now. Click the like button and subscribe right now. So that was just an AI, guys, just explaining everything, the script. I just didn't want it to read the script for you, so it had a voiceover by vidIQ. So basically they just helped me improve the video. So I'm improving the content, improving the description, thumbnails, and all those stuff. So make sure, just guys, you show your appreciation right now and you click the like button. If you're still new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. So guys, I'm working on a Forex seminar here in Durban, and we're gonna be having a free session, Zoom session. So if you want to join that Zoom session and want to join the whole program of Quasimodo, so make sure you open an account with OxaFX. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, and you just fund your account. If you already have an account with OxaFX, you can join the Forex World Changes community, which is for free. Which, if you already have a funded account, you just tell me you funded, and then we're gonna join our community and all those stuff. So I hope you guys are having a lovely day. So today we're gonna be doing Quasimodo as always. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's just get into it. I think I've spoken so much about the like button right now. So first setup that I want to talk about was the EURUSD. This setup, guys, this is one of the easiest Quasimodo basically I have saw right now. So first thing first, when you do a Quasimodo, you look for the shoulder. We've spoken about it. We look for a shoulder. Then secondly, we look for the head. So this is the head, ne? This is the head because it's above this. So it's a shoulder, head, and then you look for the lower low. So this low is not equal to this low. So you already have a Quasimodo. So what you're looking for right now is your entry point. Remember, your entry point is always on your left hand side, left hand shoulder. So it's always on your shoulder. So your entry point, just draw a horizontal line here, and then you have your entry here. So what I'm expecting right now on the USD, it's very easy. So we have a shoulder and the head, and then we have our entry point. This is our entire entry point. This is a very nice swing trade, guys. This swing trade is very nice, né? So I'm expecting the price to move up a bit, on the USD, and then decide to drop. So guys, remember, whenever I'm highlighting the price with yellow highlights and all those stuff, I'm just showing you guys entry points. These are just entry points. Your entry points is always highlighted by yellow, and your stop loss just always have to be above here, your yellow zone. So always remember, when you enter on the Quasimodo, you always enter on the left hand side. So this is your first take profits. Your first take profits will be basically, your first take profit will be this low, your second will be this one. So as soon as it hit here, the first CP, I'm out basically, because of it's unnecessary to actually wait for this because it's a bit closer, né? So that is a very good setup on the EURUSD, né? EURUSD is a very nice setup. So let's look for some other setup. Let's look at the pound pound USD. I haven't checked. These are the things I do blindly. It's not that I practice which I'm gonna analyze. No, I just go and I do my thing. You know, I do my thing. So we have another Quasimodo here on the pound against the dollar. So what do we see here? We see a shoulder here. There is a shoulder. There is a shoulder, and there is the head. There's the head above. So which is the lower low? So this low is not equal to this low. So this low is not equal to this low. So entry point always on the left hand side. The left hand side here. There's your entry point. You see it's already triggered your entry point. So you're supposed to be already in here. So this is your entry point. You know, this was your entry point, and there's a base here. So this was a nice sell. So I'm expecting the price to drop to reach this level, this lower low, this lowest low, this one. So your first take profits, which will be this low, your first TP here, and your second TP at the end. You see your second TP. Guys, remember your stop loss always have to be above here. So the stop loss will be crazy if you had a stop loss here on the daily. So always use a good risk management, but I would have put my stop loss just above this base candle because it would have been crazy to have a stop loss here. The stop loss has to be above this base. So I'm expecting the price to drop here for your first take profit. If it drops here, you could actually move your stop loss here and then decide for the price to actually reach this level. So that is what I'm looking at. The EURUSD. Remember, the EURUSD and the pound USD always behave the same. Né? They correlate in most cases. So let's just look at. So these are the easiest setups. So let's go look at the dollar as the codes. So I haven't saw this. Why? Firstly, I wanna see why this price is dropping. Oh, it's because of the highest high. So guys, there is a setup here that here in this point, this setup, guys, this is an FCR, failed to return after breaking a resistant level. But guys, look at this. My problem with the USD yen, the dollar against the yen, is because it's on an uptrend. Né? It's on an uptrend, and it's always very powerful to buy than to sell. You know, so you can see at this point, this was the highest high, and it never broke the highest high. So sell would be not bad. Né? So I see a sell here. Here's a sell. This is where I see a sell. Okay, if you can see here, looking at the spikes, this spike and this spike basically showing that the price was rejecting here. You see there's another spike. So let me just draw a horizontal line at this spike, so you can see that the price has been rejecting this zone. So this is a very nice FTR. So you can see price got rejected, and then it decided to break by this huge candle, breaking this level. You see when the price was coming at this point, this level was a resistance, and then when it broke this level, it's no longer a resistance. Now it's became a support, and then it tested the support, and then it tested the support again, and then it decided to break. After breaking this level, it left a nice supply zone. So this was a very nice supply zone. So this is a base drop. So in this base, there's gonna be a nice thing that is gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight this base drop, this nice supply zone. So I'm expecting the price to go up and then decide to drop. So this is what you call a nice FTR. So your take profits could be at this low. So when it decides to go up, it's going to go up and decide to drop. So your stop loss just always have to be above this base. So your stop loss is here, and then your take profits is here as well. So this one was very easy. So you have some very easy setups, very easy setup. The USD and the pound USD are actually showing you guys very nice setup. So make sure you click the like button if you still like the video. If you're still new, make sure you click the like button, and it's very important to actually grow the channel. So let's grow the channel. So this is the CAD CAD against the, I think we had this set up on our previous analysis that we had with you guys, if you are a follower. But if you're not a follower, I think we had this set up. I'm gonna show you why it's not showing up. So this setup, let me see. This setup, we had this setup, but probably I didn't write it proper. This setup, what I was looking here, this was a very advanced Quasimodo. So you need to have like a lot of time doing Quasimodo, and then you will see. So look at here, you have a shoulder here, ne? Look at here, you have a shoulder here, and then this entire curve was the head. How do I know this was the head? Because I can see this low and this low was just a nice clue. This low and this low was the clue that this is the head. And then just drawing a horizontal line on the left hand side, you could actually see there's even a base showing that this left shoulder is very important. So if I draw it here, this left shoulder was very important. So just highlighting here at this point, highlight this zone, so you can see that the price just needs to move up a bit and then decide to drop. This is a long term setup, very long term. This is just a swing trade for a long term, so it's gonna take forever. Probably we should just be looking for nice swing trades just for what is happening right now low. So let's look for swing trades. Looking for swing trades, probably looking for a buy going up. If we don't find it, there's no problem as well. So there's nothing really happening besides that swing trade. So we're just gonna wait for that swing trade to happen, unless we have some stuff happening on the short term time frame. So let's see here, gonna AUD USD. So let's see what is happening on the daily. Okay, let me see. If there's nothing happening, we just move on. So there's nothing I see here. What do we have here? The pound, the euro, and the pound. Let us see. So there's nothing happening as well at this point. So let's move on. Okay, let's check at the gold, because I know gold has a lot of action. The gold just never disappoint. Oh, you see the gold has reached all-time highs. You see it, after breaking this high, it went here. So it's a nice opportunity to literally buy the gold, because it's on an uptrend, guys. Whenever a certain instrument, gold, currency, whatever, it's, when you look at the higher time frame, it's on an uptrend, and then you go for the shorter time frame, you have to look for a buy. So here there is no other way besides buying here to survive. You see, it's a buy. But we had this buy a long time ago. It's just that I have to show you guys where did he cut this buy. But I remember speaking about this buy, but honestly I never entered. Even if I did enter, I think I would have closed my trade long time ago. So there's gonna be sell set up, but they're not gonna be powerful as buy, because you're on a bullish market. So right now I'm looking for a setup that is a counter trend, or a setup that is gonna show me a continuation pattern of a buy. So here there's nothing happening. There's no setup. I don't see a setup on the gold. You can try this one, but it doesn't look nice. No, this one doesn't look nice. It's not a good setup, this one. You see this FTB here, it was a resistance, and then it decided to break the resistance. But you see this one has already tested, and then it went up. So this is going to be a second test, which is not going to be very good. After testing the second time, it's not a fresh setup, né? So let's look at the US30. USDT 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 going up. Okay, I always want to see the overturn. You see, this one is just a buy, so buyers are controlling this market. So you see, even this Quasimodo here wasn't gonna work out because of the buyers are in control. So it's always very important to actually look at the hard time frame before you even make a decision. So here there's no setup basically. Here there is no setup even on a lower time frame. Guys, make sure you comment below and say please do derive, because of you guys. I know you do derive analysis. If you want derive analysis, just say please do so. Please do so and click the like button. Please do so and click the like button. So I'll be analyzing volatility 75. I'll be analyzing bomb and all those other things on derive. So make sure you comment below and say please do so. And make sure, guys, you open an account with OxaFX and you fund it with $20 so you can get the whole full course of Quasimodo, and you're gonna have one-on-one session if you are around KZN. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Do you feel me? So let's go forward. Let's look at the USD ZAR. Where is the USD ZAR? I haven't checked the USD. How much the dollar against the rand? It's dropped. It's on 18 rand. Okay, let's look. Why it's on 18 rand? Hey, you see this one? This one. Look at this, guys. Just looking at the price action here. You see the price action has been respecting this trend line. So I don't know if it's gonna break, because I'm not a trend line guy. So if the price decides to play around here, this zone, so you know that it's gonna move up. It's gonna be a good buy. So right now it's been respecting this trend line. So I don't know when it's gonna decide to break this trend line. But let's look at our analysis. You see a buy Quasimodo, guys. You see a buy Quasimodo. Look at this. There's a shoulder and then there's a head. So just draw a horizontal line on the left hand side. So a buy Quasimodo would be nice, but let's expect the price to go a bit further down here. See, let's just wait for it to break this trend line. I think it will be a nice confirmation for it to actually think that it might go up. So nothing really happening here at this point. Nothing really happening at this point. So let's just wait for the price to break that level, and then you're gonna go for a buy. So what else I haven't analyzed? Talk to me. NZD CHF. Let's see what is happening there. Nothing much on the higher time frame. Nothing much on the lower time frame. Okay, this one is boring. NZDCAD. NZDCAD. The oil. So these kind of spike, they always tell something. They don't just the price in Forex market doesn't move randomly, guys. Just know that there's no random movement. It's always something telling something. You see, there's no random movement. So there's nothing actually to see at this point. So let's look at some other setups. Okay, NZD, CHF, JPY, what do we have? What do we have for me? I don't like Yena pairs, guys. They are very hard to trade. Not a fan. Never been a fan. Never will be a fan. You see here, I see a sell, but the hardest thing that I wouldn't take this sell is because of this whole overall trend is up. But there is a sell at this point. If you draw a horizontal line here, you see that this was a very nice FCR because there's even a base here. So what I was gonna do, which is not very a nice idea, I was expecting the price, I was gonna expect the price to go up here and then decide to drop. And FCR would have been nice here. So highlight this zone. But I'm not gonna take cause of the overall trend. You can try your luck and just put your stop loss a bit tighter. If it decides to respect, put your stop loss a bit tighter. If it decides to respect. So let's look at some other stuff. So make sure you click the like button. Make sure you click the like button. You click the like button. Look at this one, guys. This was a crazy Quasimodo. You see, the price was just doing whatever it was doing, which was accumulating basically. So whatever event happened, there's the Quasimodo here. So there's your shoulder, and then there's your head basically. And then if you look at here, what the price that was unthinkable. It went up for the Quasimodo. The Quasimodo had left here, and then it decided to drop like crazy. You see, this was a very crazy setup of the Quasimodo. You see, there's your shoulder here, and there's your head. So the price decided to go make a paparazzi here, so with some events, and then decide to drop. So that is crazy, guys. So let's just close the video here. I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be boring. So make sure you click the like button and you open your account with OxFX, and then you WhatsApp me, and then you join our group. So bye for now.